Okay, now I'm going to cut two marble Cascade ramps. I'm using this purple paper. I don't usually use this color for marble Cascade ramps, but I might sometime in the future. And all I do is I measure, I just measure half an inch on each side, or I mean half an inch, then an inch, and another half inch. The half inch represents a wall. The inch represents the bottom of the Cascade ramp, and then half an inch is the other wall. It looks like I don't have enough paper for another ramp, so I'll just do this one ramp right here. And I do the same thing on the other side. I'll just use this, hold this in place here. Okay, so I just measure half an inch, make a hash mark, then an inch, and another half inch, just like so. Now, using the paper cutter or a box cutter and the ruler, I just score on each side of the inch part of the ramp. I'm just going to score without cutting, so I'm just going to lightly move this across to score it so it folds very easily. Now normally when I have a full sheet of paper and I have these hash marks all the way down the side, I would score all of the lines representing the bottom of the Cascade, and I would do that all the way down the entire page. But I only have this one ramp, so I'll just do that one. After I'm done scoring, then I will cut each ramp out. In this case, I only have one ramp. And then I take each ramp and I fold along the scored edge right there. The reason I score it is just so that it folds neatly, and it folds much better than it normally would. Nice clean fold. Okay, and there, now I have a ramp, and after I've done one full sheet of these, I have a bunch of these ramps, and then I'll start to add them to the marble Cascade.